Hello, Safety John with AIM Transportation Solutions bringing you another weekly safety bulletin. Well, it's that time of the year. Cold weather, snow and ice all add up to make walking a dangerous endeavor. Let's look at some of the ways to avoid potential injuries. Watch where you are walking. Take small steps. Keep your hands out of your pockets, leaning forward slightly, and move slowly when encountering snowy and icy conditions. Did you know that approximately 20% of all workplace injuries are a result of slip and fall injuries? So driver managers, dispatchers, when talking to your drivers, remind them to take special care when walking during snowy and icy conditions. Bottom line, as the saying goes, snow and ice can be a deadly combination.